live unboxing. I haven't opened it yet. Live unboxing of the portable stovetop. It's gonna be the official YxngBoys portable stovetop that we're gonna use. And electric single burner, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, bro. Alright, it's the portable stovetop. She comes in phone. They got a fucking wire. You know, we're on that wire shit. We're on that wire shit, bro. You already know. Think about that wireless shit. Look at this shit. Wire, bro. Wire. You see, you see this shit? See this shit? Wire, bro. Wire. The only thing I don't have a wire in my mouth, but that's just because I literally physically unable to. Alright, let me see. See the manual. Elite Gourmet electric single. Bro, my chair's making so much noise. It's just my thing. I don't care about the manual, bro. Bro, this shit is... It's cold. How does this work if it's cold? You see this? It's a warning, because there's dumbasses like me out there that will literally just put my hand on me if it's on. Alright, so this is the portable stovetop. Nah, we gotta make this shit official. Hold up. Alright, so I'm covering the logo. Now it's the official YxngBoys portable stovetop. Thank you for watching my video. Go by the merch, YxngBoys.com. Also listen to Tony SoundCloud.